if you are looking for a way to make money from your Facebook account, then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to be showing you how you can actually convert your Facebook account into your Facebook page and start making money from your Facebook account. Facebook has made it easy for everybody to actually become a creator on Facebook. And they have the option of which you cannot, like, they don't want you to start developing another page from scratch again, and they actually want you to turn your Facebook account into Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually turn your account into Facebook page. So if you are new here on this channel, kindly do it to subscribe to this channel for more updates like this on how you can actually start making money online. Okay, so let's get started right now, as I'm going to be showing you every process right here on my computer. So guys, as you can see, I'm already on Facebook account right now. This is Facebook feed. As you can see, the name here is Gloria, and you can see there is friends and feed, groups, marketplace, watch, memories, save, page. Now when you click on this page, that means you are creating another page on its own separately, and that is not what we are going to be doing. What we want to do right here, we want to convert this entire Facebook account into pages, so that this person can actually monetize the account and start making money with it. And before you can monetize your Facebook page, you really need to meet some requirements, the monetization requirement from Facebook. And once you hit the requirement, you're actually going to get monetized and start making money from your Facebook account. So the first thing you need to do is to click on your profile right here. And don't worry, if you are not using mobile, if you don't have PC to do this thing, I'm going to do it right now on mobile phone, so that you can actually see it for those of you who are using mobile phone. Okay, so let's quickly do it right now from the PC. Then I will still show you how you can actually do it from your mobile phone. Once you click on your profile, you will see here is your profile and here is the profile. So all you need to do is to click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, you will see it will say view as, then you will search account status, achieve, then story achieve, activity login, then profile and tagging settings. And the main thing you want to do right now is to turn on this professional mode. Professional mode means you are converting your Facebook account into Facebook page. So once you click on this turn on professional mode, you will see that professional mode, you can get paid for your content. Every content you post on this account right now, from today on, you're actually going to be getting paid if you have monetize your account. Grow your audience. Your profile follower setting will be set to public, and anyone can follow you, anyone can also see your profile. So you are actually going to hit the turn on button so that you can actually convert this into your Facebook page. Okay, so it's waiting, we have to wait. And as you can see, it said welcome to professional mode. That means you have already done converting your Facebook account into page. So people are no longer going to be adding you as a friend again, but instead they're actually going to be following you instead of adding you as a friend. Now the account have started showing as a page right now and not normal accounts again. Then you click on start exploring. Once you turn on your professional mode, you can see there are some tools that will be given to you, like your professional dashboard. You will see your overview, your home, your profile, your content, your audience, your inspiration hub, content manager, and the rest. And you can also go through the professional mode guidelines so that you don't go against the rules and regulations of Facebook in order to save your account. Okay, so as you can see, say congrats on becoming a creator. You can use these guides to get familiar with your new tools. Okay, so you can actually go through those tools and understand those things, then you start creating your content and start making money from your content. That's how you can convert your Facebook account into Facebook page. And if we refresh this page right now, like if we refresh this account, you will see that the account is now showing followers, and they can start making money through any content which they post on this page right now. So please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And again, let me show you how you can start how you can do this on your mobile phone. Okay, so guys, I'm already on the Facebook app right now, and what you need to do, if you want to convert your Facebook account into Facebook page, you really need to go to your profile like this, and once you on your profile, click on these three dots, and then you will see this interface on your phone. Then you will navigate to turn on professional mode at the bottom right here. Then you click on that one, and then you will see that it will ask you to turn on again. Like they want to make sure you are the one doing this, so they need to ask you the question again. Then do you really want to turn on the professional mode? Then you said turn on professional mode. Then wow, you have already turned on the professional mode. Then you go ahead and set up whatever you want to set up your account, or anything you want to set up. In my next video, I'll be doing a video on how you can actually set up your Facebook page. My next video will be on how to set up your Facebook page in the proper way and attractive way you can use to create your brand on the globe. Okay, so that is how to convert your Facebook account into Facebook page. Okay, yes, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you are new here on this channel, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to other people so that YouTube can recommend this video to others, and let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next video. God bless you. Peace.